Hello truckers, in this video we'll learn how to install Unlimited Money and Level Modern Truckers of Europe 3. Before starting, if you've already installed the game, you need to uninstall it, otherwise the mod won't work. Step 1. Open Chrome and search. Open the website GetModSap. Click this green bar. Select the version you want. Click this green button. Now go to the download section and let the file to be downloaded. When downloaded, click on it to open. Click install. Tap on delete. Now click open. Allow here. Tap this green G icon. Open these all. Now you're ready to go. Hope you learned. Do subscribe for more.